Christina at eXp Realty, and I'm here at the Sunrise Preserve at PALMER Ranch in Sarasota, Florida. These are brand new homes, brand new construction homes. And this particular one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, plus flex, plus like a bonus room. And it's got a 2-car garage and about 2,296 square feet. This one is priced between $726,000 to $745,000. Check this out. How beautiful is this? Huge open floor plan where you can see the living room. You walk in, it's all open concept, spacious floor plan, dining room. You got your beautiful kitchen here. How amazing is that? With gorgeous countertops, quartz countertops, gorgeous backsplash, cabinets, and even the flooring is amazing. You can see the flooring here. It even has, so this is basically considered like the flex, kind of like an extra office space, den room. You could do whatever with this space. Either make it a den or office, or a bonus room, or an extra bedroom. So look at so your living room opens up into the backyard. Check out this huge living room. How beautiful is that? And here's the backyard. Look at how amazing that is. So you got a nice pool with a view of an awesome backyard by the lake. You can see the lake right there, with awesome trees and landscaping. How would you like to live in this tropical paradise oasis?